Hey guys, so I'm continuing my review of all the credit cards that I've owned. This is now my 5th credit card in my lineup in my quest to earn the most cashback I can possibly get. This is the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. It's a really straightforward card, unlike my other credit cards that I have reviewed in the past, simply because it has a flat rate cashback earning rate of 1.5 back on everything. Even though 1.5% back doesn't seem like it's the highest possible flat rate earning card, and it's not, things like the PayPal cashback card or the Citi Double Cash both earn 2% back cashback. However, the two key advantages of the Freedom Unlimited as opposed to the Double Cash or the PayPal cashback card is firstly the sign-up bonus, which offers between $150 or $300 after $500 of minimum spend within the first 3 months. Because this is a really easy minimum spend to hit, all you have to do is spend on average $170 a month to meet this requirement to get the sign-up bonus. So assuming that you can get the sign-up bonus for this card, so doing a really quick math calculation of when the Double Cash card or the PayPal MasterCard 2% back card will start outweighing the Freedom Unlimited card with the additional sign-up bonus would be at $30,000 of spend. So we can clearly see there's an advantage of getting the Freedom Unlimited card first. Additionally, the second advantage of the Unlimited over any other 2% cashback card is the fact that the cashback is in the form of ultimate reward points that can be transferred to, if you have a Sapphire Preferred or a Sapphire Reserve, a travel card by Chase. These points are worth way more than just 1.5 back. If you've been following my channel, you know that I have already gotten the Chase Freedom card, which earns 5x back on rotating categories, and also the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, that travel card that I can use to get a special travel multiplier if I choose to redeem points through Chase's travel portal. So this really completes what they call the Chase trifecta system, where all the points that you earn in your daily spending can be used towards travel at a higher multiplier if you have a Sapphire card. The great thing about this card is it pretty much doesn't cost you anything to own it as long as you constantly pay back your monthly payments in full. It has no annual fee, and it's 1.5x back on everything, means you don't need to worry about using this towards a specific category to maximize your earnings. So the strategy here is to still use this with the Chase Freedom card to maximize your earnings on daily spending, and then when you've accumulated enough points, you transfer those points over to a Sapphire Preferred or a Reserve, where you can use those points through Chase's travel portal to get a better multiplier out of them, or you can transfer them to transfer partners like airlines and hotels that could increase the points from 2 to 10-fold. So that's really the power of being in the Chase's Ultimate Rewards point system. Of course, if you are not really interested in travel, at least at the moment, it is still worth considering getting this card because Chase's Ultimate Reward points are at minimum worth 1 cent per point, so at minimum you'll always get 1.5% cash back if you were to treat it as a simple cashback card to redeem it as either a statement credit or bank deposit. And unlike the Citi Double Cash or the PayPal cashback card, there's no minimum redemption requirement for either bank deposit or statement credit. Because it's such a simple and pretty much an entry-level card, the sign-up offer isn't really difficult to get. So right now you can get 20,000 Ultimate Reward points or $200 at minimum after $500 of minimum spend within the first 3 months of owning the card if you use my referral link, which I'll put down below. And I would imagine that it would be really easy to hit this $500. In fact, I was able to hit it within just a month. And the nice thing about Chase is that on the very next statement, you'll see those points posted to your account. In addition to its cashbacks earning, it has other benefits that are courtesy of Chase. It has travel accident insurance, warranty extension, purchase protection, return protection, and you also, of course, have fraud protection as with every credit card. This particular Chase card is also able to be paired up with Chase Pay. If you're not familiar with Chase Pay, it's basically an additional digital wallet service that Chase provides that you can also earn a lot of great deals if you do choose to use it, from gas to restaurants to groceries. If you are interested in Chase Pay, I made a whole other video on how to use Chase Pay. If you're interested, again, I'll put the link at the end of this video for you guys to check it out. But in addition to, of course, these benefits that come with having the card, there are additional benefits that come with just having a credit card with Chase. First of which is their customer service is pretty fast and reliable. I've called them up several times to deal with several issues and they've all been able to be addressed. And of course, you also get the ability to have digital wallet, a detailed website, and also user-friendly app that can easily track your point earning, and you can schedule payments and all that. You also are able to get a free Vantage score via TransUnion too. And finally, let's talk about acceptance, both by vendors and also how to get this card. So by vendors, it's really simple. It's pretty much accepted anywhere because the Visa network is one of the widest accepted credit card networks ever in the US and also worldwide. In terms of getting accepted for this card, as I mentioned earlier, this is an entry-level card, so it's really not that difficult to get. I personally was able to get it after about 1 year of credit history. My FICO score was in the good range. Chase is known to pull from Equifax, so just keep that in mind when you're applying. And they do care about hard inquiries and also specifically how many new accounts that you have opened in the past 24 months. But as long as you haven't been applying like crazy and you haven't had new accounts over 5 in the past 24 months and you have a pretty decent credit score, I think you're pretty solid to get this card. Again, it's a great flat rate, no hassle points earning card. It's great to get into the Chase's travel system if you're not too sure quite yet. And again, if you want to get the best possible sign-up offer, make sure you apply using my referral link in the description.